Hello friends, it's me, Julie Fior, with another one, Hollywood glamour hairstyle in 50s. This amazing big volume, these waves, it's like classic details for old Hollywood hairstyles, old Hollywood actresses, hairstyles from 50s, and of course the all people around and simple women don't wearing such hairstyles in 50s. They wearing more soft waves, more less volume, but Hollywood actresses of course need to look very glamorous, very beautiful, gorgeous, so this such hairstyles was like classic, and today I will show you how to do such very gorgeous old Hollywood actresses hairstyle. It's not, of course it's not hard, and really like always foam rollers, like always satin, and a lot of hairspray. Let's start. So, foam rollers overnight, 22 millimeters. I will add the link to the video how I made my set pattern. And first of all, it's like brushing with the big brush. I have a vintage one. You can use any one. Good brushing. After that, I'm making side parting. And starting to make my wave. As we want to do very glamorous hairstyle, we need to do a big volume. That's why I'm starting to teasing. I have a clean hair, so I'm using hairspray before teasing and teasing every part. If you have like not very clean hair, you can not use hairspray. After teasing, I trying to smoothen their volume. And starting to work with setting, to do amazing waves. For this you definitely need duckbill clips. It's clips that you need for any of vintage, for any of vintage hairstyles. and I'm trying to create a great wave. And starting making the shape, the big great waves, you need to follow the hair, like hair will be laying, because of course every time you will receive different waves, and you just need to follow them and to set them that they look beautiful and not a mess. They need to lay in very beautiful in waves. Doing the same at the back. As you can see, I am brushing a lot of time. I don't scare that with my curls something will happen. It won't be happen. So brush, don't scary. Fixing the hair behind my ear at the left side, making smooth that part under the ear with the hairspray, and the last preparations. You need to use a lot of hairspray because your hairstyle need to be perfect all day long. So cover one layer of hairspray, waiting till it's dry, and cover again, maybe 3 layers even. So I'm ready to go. My hairstyle is ready. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to follow me, don't forget to like this video, and please write in comments maybe what hairstyles you want to see in next videos. Bye bye.